Accura subsonic bullets, test 1.
Hey, this is Doug with Accura Doors, and today we are going to review the Magneto Speed T1000. We just gave this away for our June giveaway. Before we're sending this out to the winner, we're going to do a quick review on it. I was not able to use this in its actual application, but it does have some demo modes to kind of see how it works. I put it on one of our MPATS system, and I'll display a picture here that actually went with this giveaway. So this is not really, I'll say, practical for a pistol application, but for long range shooting, this is great because you're farther away, and it's nice to see that visual light. And you may not hear the sound of the metal, so kind of get into this. Tore the box just a little bit. This is the setup. It's really simple. The more I kind of dug into it, the more it was just such a simple but really effective design. The way, so again, it's on a really sensitive system right now. So you kind of, if you break it down to its littlest area, so you've got this ballistic gel. That you have the angled part towards the back, and the way it reflects will reflect forward. So here, see how bright that was? If you do hit it, inside the box, which comes with a bunch of little goodies in here, inside this box, you get some more stuff. So it comes with this mounting setup, and then if the Velcro goes bad, you've got 2 extra sets of Velcro. And then you kind of get a repair setup. So it comes with Velcro branded Velcro. It's only the fuzzy side because on this one, the hook side, I believe that's the hook side. The fuzzy side, I guess it would be the loop, but the fuzzy side, not fuzzy side. You get 2 of those. It does recommend on it to mount on here. It says mount the system low enough that you can see the thing, but not high enough where it could accidentally get struck on this. Now, if you do hit the plastic ballistic gel, or a plastic piece, it comes with a replacement one, so that's really awesome. And gives you kind of some instructions. It says to leave it overnight for the Velcro, 24 hours to let it adhere, and then also shows where to prep on it. Our MPATS system does have, it's a mini-man, so it would be the same mounting location. So you get that, and then you get this cool little piece that goes on here to show where to aim towards the shooter. So like I said, because if you look at it, you can see it's so clear, you can see the reflection of the LEDs if you hold it like this. I don't know if you can see it in there. But this also has a cool little thing you clip on, and it reads on here, aim toward shooter. So you would get it on there. Post a video of me, I have it on like kind of a demo setting. That's why it blinks pretty easy. It's really interesting. In order to change it, you use the Magneto Speed MS-T1000 2.0 tuner. This is what it looks like. And through it, you can change the profile. So you can do your sensitivity, your operational mode, hit head duration, and hit tail duration. So your hit is going to be your flash. You can also do the rate in which that flash is. and then on the tail, which would be, it'll like say flash, 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 and then it'll basically show that it's over, and then it'll reset. I have not messed with the misses. I'm not sure how that works since we didn't take it out. Since this is an item that we're giving away, I kind of did not want the chance of ruining it. We're going to try to do another video of one of our personal ones that we're going to buy and do a practical application review video. This is kind of more an unboxing, and then we did do a mock setup on one of our targets that it did light up and everything worked. So if you were to buy this setup and get our MPATS system, it would work great. And then we'll show a video of how this programs. Alright, so what you do, you get this in its little setup, and then you have to start tapping it. Once you start tapping it, it will start doing a yellow and red blink, which means it is ready to program. You then hold your phone up to the ear hole side, which will show you on the instruction what side that is, and then it'll start blinking, showing that it is programming. If it does not do that, you just keep going back, and it basically sounds like, if you ever remember the 56K modems, it sounds just like that. So that's kind of the basics of it. You can also set a profile for doing different types of games. So you can have it to where it'll blink back and forth. You can do normal, you can do renegade game, dueling tree game, or multi-hit scoring. If you want just a normal hit indicator, you just click normal, and then for the games, you probably have to get more information on how that works and how to play the game. But it is really interesting how something very simple that uses sound to program and vibrations to light up can make your shooting experience a lot more fun. So if you like what you see, comment below of products you want us to review. I'd be more than happy to review them, or give us ideas for products to give away. We're always looking for new ideas for next month's giveaways. So until then, stay safe, and I'll see you on the range.